Alright guys, you know what it is. We in the Z today. We're about to go to the Rudy's meet. Just kidding. Look who's here. It's me and other Jordan, and we're in other Jordan's car. I stole his Z, and I can't drive manual, so it's not going anywhere. He's actually washing the Supra, and we're about to roll out to the Rudy's meet together, but he's a homie and is hooking up with a free wash. So we're gonna be chilling in here with Son Goku, listening to the VQ Rumble. But I mean, this is a pretty nice view. I like it a lot. If I had infinite money, I'd have one of these bad boys in my garage. Woohoo! The car is done and looking good. The wheels are nice and clean, even though it just rained, and we'll probably have to drive on the wet highway and mess them up on the way to the show, but that's okay. Let's roll. Alright guys, we pulled up to the show. There's a lot of cars to check out over there. We parked in the back because this is a muscle car meet, and your boy is not a muscle car. But hopefully we'll get to fill up this whole parking lot with other boys. It is kind of early, but the weather is in, so we'll see. Hi Mike, how you doing today?
I'm doing good.
You feeling fresh? How long has it been since you've, had a cigarette?
About a day and a half.
Good, good, good. Let's keep it going. Mad respect.
I see the comments, guys. I appreciate the motivation.
Let's go. It's Daniel in the CTSV. Is he gonna air out for us? Nope. So apparently there's a 5-liter V8 in this little thing. What on earth? That man has the coolest cars in Houston. Very cool, very cool. I think it's a wide body 240. Yeah, that's sick. The Drift Mobile. That looks good. The V10 Ram Reezy. Mike's future truck. That is clean. And apparently has a LS9 66 ZR1. That's funny. So the LS9 is in the ZR1s. I guess he went and put it in there. That's wild. I don't think he has door handles either, if you noticed. Yeah. Bye, Daniel. Hey. You ever seen a bagged CTSV before? Well, now you have. Ooh, doggy. Twin turb skis in the Z28 Marrow. Are you quick? Because he is. And this is really nice too. Oh my god, it's Thomas. Dun dun dun. Whoa. Twin turbos for days. Okay, okay, we got some nice things rolling in. Got the Butch, the GT500 track pack, baby, with the carbon wheels. And then the wide body Beamer boy. Here's another car I wouldn't mind owning someday. ZL1 1LE. Woo, baby. You like that? Yes, we got the seal of approval. And it's I don't know what I'm gonna say, a 6th gen, but I think even the new ones are 6th gens, but that's the good looking one. Now that's a truck right there. We got the dogs on dogs. Yeehaw! Oh yeah, Flex Nation. That is a nice truck. Would I ever do that to a truck? I think I'm too poor. Woo-hoo. Santa's Ride. Demon on God. Woo-hoo. Come on in. Come on in. Ow! Oh, mama. Twin turbo ZL1. It seems like it's a twin turbo Camaro day. Man, I want one of those very bad.
It's hard. This quitting's hard. I really need a cigarette, but I want to be healthy. Smash the like button to help my addiction problem.
My friend, my friend, my friend. Look at this guy.
Park in the back?
Yes, sir. Look at this guy. Handsome man this guy is.
Look at this kid.
Ooh. My dad used to have one of those.
Did he actually?
I don't know. You tell me.
He did.
You're my dad.
It's not the...
Ooh, very nice.
Well, you're comfortable. Well, I had a modded menu, so I...
That's pretty. That's like a Jeep color now. This is loud and proud C5. Custom whip alert. Straight out of Los Santos Customs. Oh baby. Alright. I remember now why I love supercars. Oh yes. We got the Aventador with the ski box. Woo. All right, all right. Gotta get the shot. Oh, but that's my baby right there. Woo. 570 is cool, but there's nothing like a Lamborghini V12, baby. With a ski box. Everybody's coming over to see this. For good reason. Alright guys, let's take a look-see around the show, see what we got here. Up first we got a Paxton supercharged Mustang. Very cool. It looks just like a turbocharger, but I read the little plaque, so it is not. And we got a classic Z28 next to 3 GT350s. I absolutely love the GT350, and both of these happen to be my favorite colors. And this one over here has all sorts of mods. I believe this one's also supercharged or pro-charged. We're gonna skip on down here. Got a Chrysler 300 all blacked out next to our boy Mason's Mustang, Caprice PPV, little Fiesta ST action, and a ZL1. Woo! We got my boy Justin parking up next to yours truly. We got pulled over the other day, so we had to throw on the front plate as best as we're gonna do. Then we got the crazy 5.0 swapped. I think this is a Fiesta. Crazy. Everything in this car is changed. God, I cannot imagine how crazy that is to ride in. Then we got the boy Jordan's 370 with Tomei, baby. And over here we got the twin turbo Camaro lineup, the Z28. I don't know if you can see them. They're in there somewhere. And same thing with this one. This guy used to have a 6th gen twin turbo, but those are also probably up under your booty cheeks. Then we got the Demon on God. We got a couple more Terminators rolling in. I think this second one's twin turbo as well. Okay. I dig it, I dig it. And we got the Quattro Mobile with dark limo tint. Imagine if this was a cop car chasing you down. Oh my goodness. Big truck alert. Hee-haw. And 5-point. Oh my god. Whoa.
Oh yeah, I saw that, yeah.
That is nice. That is very nice.
He's got a Tomei, bro.
Mark 5 better than Mark 4?
Is that a BMW? Oh wait, no. It's
I like that a lot. Oh my god, that's sick. Woohoo! I want that color on the Supra. Oh my god. Okay, so before people leave, I want to look at the Aventador with the ski box. So this guy has the Tri-Aero kit on the Aventador, and I guess he just went on Corsa Rally because he just put on the big ski box. I love it. Got the full red interior. Oh my god. Carbon door sills. Subscribe to my man. Oh, this is it, boys. This is it. Every penny. I will sell the Supra. I will not buy a house until I get an Aventador. Oh, somebody's got the two-step. Somebody's got the two-step. No hood. C8 headed out. Ooh, baby, that's my favorite color on them. Actually, maybe second favorite color. Rapid Blue's good, but this is also very nice. Throwback, baby. If you've been subscribed since the FRS looked like this, smash that like button. Puppy love. Goodbye, Viper truck. The fake taxi is headed out. See ya.
so happy.
Mustangs for days. Alright fellas, we are headed off to Texas Roadhouse to get some steak and baked potato to end this wonderful weekend of car meets. Actually, it's the week, so we still got the weekend ahead of us. Stay tuned for more videos. I hope you liked this one. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you in the next video, baby.